Ever wondered, what does my stylist really need? Or what can I get my favorite cosmetology student for Christmas this year? I have a recommendation for you. Get them a Marcel iron and a Marcel stove to set them apart and set them up for success. My name is Tanya G. Mason, CEO of Tanya Does Hair LLC, founder of My Water Beauty Solution, and your educator for the Hair and Scalp Restoration Masterclass. Just coming on to make a suggestion about these Marcels and why you want to purchase them. You want to get these because it's going to not only set you apart from the rest, but you're going to provide your clients with a much straighter result that's going to last much longer, which is going to fill your books up quicker than anything else you offer. So if you would like to get your favorite stylist a Marcel iron or a iron stove, visit my Amazon store link in the description below and take a stroll through my store this holiday season. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos for more and upcoming holistic alternative solutions and holiday goodies.
Does your hair seem dry or brittle? Does your scalp itch or get flaky? Is your hair unmanageable? What if there was one solution in one bottle that will restore your dry or brittle hair, remove the flakes or scalp irritation, and increase manageability, plus eliminates the need for chemical treatments, conditioners, or oils? Would you try it? Well, we would like to introduce you to My Water Hair Solution, the total solution for both your hair and skin.
Don't go into that, because if you told me water is going to change it, I wouldn't